Good morning, students of class 2. How you have enjoyed your holidays? I think nicely. Okay, good morning. So we have started our moral science classes already. We have completed 3 chapters. Today I am going to start another new chapter, chapter 4, Clean Up Crow. As we know, crow is called sweeper bird, isn't it? It cleans our environment. The stories start with a crow. One day a crow dropped a half-eaten mango on a sleeping jackal's head. What did a crow do? He dropped a half-eaten mango on a sleeping jackal's head. Have you heard the name of the animal jackal? It's very curious and tricky animal. Like fox, a jackal jumped up. The other animals also woke up. Everyone started shouting at once. When they all woke up, they started shouting. Who did it? Who did it? In such a way. The elephant stood up. An elephant is a very wise animal. Shoo. Who started this? He asked a question, telling all the animals to stop and ask who started this. Everyone said, crow. No, said the crow. I was eating a fruit that I had picked from the ground. I was helping the forest. But no one listened. Crow was just giving some excuses for his work, but no one was believing him. So he sat alone for days. When no one was listening to his words, he sat down for days. He did not feel like eating or working. He did not like to eat or do any work. He was just sitting down alone quietly. And what happened then? But the forest soon became dirty. With rotting fruit and garbage. Yes, as we know, the crow is a sweeper bird. It keeps our environment clean. So when he was not working, so garbages are dumping up. Little animals like the squirrel fell sick, and squirrel became ill. The elephant was the wisest. I have already told you the elephant is an intelligent animal. He was the wisest animal. Now I know why the crow was eating rotting fruit, he said and patted the crow. He went to the crow and tried to console it. Tried to console the crow. What did he tell? He told that he knows the reason behind why crow is eating that rotting fruits. Why crow was rotten ones. Thank you for keeping the forest clean, he said. He also encouraged the crow thanking him that he is doing a good job to clean the forest. He said. The other animals thanked the crow for all the work he did. And they also told, we are sorry. They told that they are sorry for their behavior. The crow was happy. I can go back to my work and keep the forest clean again, he called. The sound of crow's caw. He told that he was very happy. Now from that time he started to do his work to keep the forest clean. But listen, there is so much garbage. I will need help to clean the forest. He also requested the animals to help him because the garbage is there was very much garbage. It is not possible for him to keep the things removed alone. So he asked their help. We will all help, said the animals. Animals also ready to help him. It took a lot of hard work to clean up the forest. From that day, everyone did their bit to keep the forest clean. So, from that day, all the animals tried their hard to keep the forest clean. What do we learn from this chapter? We learned from this chapter that a clean place is a healthy place. Yes, a clean place is a healthy place. All of us must help keep the places around us clean. We must thank those who keep our surroundings clean. Yes, do you understand what is the lesson of this chapter? What is the moral of this chapter? This cleanliness is next to the godliness. So, who woke up when a fruit fell on his head? Who woke up? A jackal woke up when a fruit fell on his head. What happened when the crow stopped eating and working? When the crow stopped eating and working, the forest became full. What do I tell? The forest became dirty. Yes. Why did the animals thank the crow? The animals thanked the crow for his work. Was it only the crow's job to keep the forest clean? No. It is not only the crow's work to keep the forest clean. Fill in the blanks. Candy always washes her hands before eating soap, SOAP soap. She throws empty wrappers and waste papers in the dustbin. She covers her mouth with a handkerchief when she sneezes. Candy knows that if you sneeze without covering your mouth, you can spread to others. Germs. Clues are given here. Candy cleans her with a brush and toothpaste twice a day. Teeth. Okay? And I think you have learned all the 3 chapters properly, and you have got the question answers from that chapters too. So be prepared yourself for your test. I think after unit test, your moral sense test will be taken. Okay, so you have to read the chapter nicely, and I will send you the question answers later on. Okay, don't worry. Thank you for the day.